How to set your Spotify song as ringtone. Hello everybody and welcome back. In today's video, we are gonna guide you through the process. Let's make it very super simple and practical. Since Spotify streams songs, you cannot directly use them as ringtones. So here's a way to do it safely. So what we can do is we can get the song as a file. You can open up Spotify and detect the song that you would like to have the audio file for. So you can just go over and find it. And the thing is, Spotify songs are DRM protected, so we need the audio file. And the only thing is possible is using Spotify to MP3 converter. So you can look out for the songs here that you would like to download. And you can record the song using a recorder app on your phone or your PC, and the song will be saved as MP3. You can use this kind of recorder or anything else, and you can start playing up the music, any of the music you like, and you will be having the song as MP3 or MP4. Now, once you have the MP3 or MP4 file, what we can do is we can use our own device in order to set up the ringtone. So you can go to settings for that. And within our settings, what we need to do is go to sounds and vibration. And within sound and vibration, we can look out for ringtone. And there we can select up the new music, tap on the plus option at the top, and look out for the music that we have on our device that we just converted from Spotify that we had. You can just go and select it, and once selected, you can just go over and tap on done and add it up on your ringtone. You can just go over and do so. Ringtones are best 20 to 30 seconds long. You can just go and cut the part that you want as a ringtone and set it as a ringtone. And apart from that, you can also use another application in order to download the song and directly select that song as a ringtone. Otherwise, Spotify does not directly have that option that lets us, you know, use a song as a ringtone, but we have the option to set it as alarm. For that, you can select the song that you would like to set as alarm, and you can tap on the song, start playing it, and look out for the option of three dot in the top, and basically look out for the option called um, sleep timer or anything else, and you can just go and add it as a timer. That is possible. That's it, everybody. Usually, these are the methods if you want to set your Spotify song as ringtone. So we hope this video was helpful. Give this video a like and subscribe for more tips and tutorials.